You have no right to come back to my home. This is on notice.
But if we
both
have
of you,
concerns for a child, we have every right to
not
come back to your
care.
home.
I do not care. I've asked you to leave how many times now, and you're still on my property.
Imagine opening your front door to find two CPS workers standing there, accusing you of threatening to kill a family court judge. Most people would panic right then and there. But for this dad, Jesse, it wasn't about fear. It was about standing his ground. He knew immediately that this was a fishing expedition designed to make him slip up. You seriously won't believe how calmly he destroys their entire narrative.
So I'm here today.
What's your name?
My name's Jessie.
And what's your name, ma'am?
Martine.
What's your last name? Woodrow. And what's your last name? Camo.
Here, I'll give you my card.
Sure, I'd love it.
So we received concerns that, it's been a while now. I tried to reach you by phone, but I'm not sure if I have.
I'm not contracting with you.
Okay. So the concerns we received is that you have threatened a family court judge.
You already here for that? You haven't
No.
came back. Amber went and spoke with you guys about that.
Yeah, so I never
we have
spoke
an
with
audio
you.
recording of that when she spoke of that, so I'm completely aware. If there was any issues, the police would show up.
Okay, but
But
police
nothing.
are involved.
But nothing.
Yeah.
But nothing.
Right. So I'm
you
concerned
are-
that your mental health
My
is-
mental health is fine. I did a mental health assessment. It came back
So-
all good. You're not a mental health professional.
Okay. Are you okay with us having access to that?
No. It's sealed by the courts.
Okay.
So go ask the judge.
Okay, but
Go ask the judge.
what reason would you have to threaten a family court judge?
Did I?
I'm trying to speak to you.
Did
about
I?
it.
Did I threaten them?
Yes, you did. That's why I'm here.
Well, then they can come, the police can come and they can charge me and I'll go in front of a judge
Okay.
and we'll deal with it in the proper terms because you have no jurisdiction to talk about any of that.
Okay. Is Amber here?
I'm not answering any of your questions.
Okay. Have Amber call me.
No, I'm not relaying any mess. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever.
Okay.
I have no
so I'm
I
just
have
gonna
no
let you know.
obligation to, no right to. You have no right to come back to my home. This is on notice.
But if we
both
have
of you.
concerns for a
I
child,
do
we have every right to come
not
back to your
care.
home.
I do not care. I've asked you to leave how many times now and you're still on my property.
Yes, but we get new concerns.
I do
and
not
here we are
care.
to
I
address
do
them.
not care.
Okay.
I do not care.
The reason why I'm here today.
I don't care about
tried
why you're here.
contacting you by phone.
I do not care.
Okay, but you won't return my phone calls.
I
and that's
no,
why I'm
I
here
haven't
today.
received any voicemails, nothing from you.
Can we get a number for
No.
you? Okay. Well,
No.
then how am I supposed to?
I don't have to
contact
contract with you.
you? Okay. Well, when there's concerns for a
No,
child.
I don't care about your concerns. My spouse is an early childhood educator. She knows how to take care of a child. She knows when a child is in danger better than you guys because we can look at the statistics that they teach you guys in your school and how many kids go through the cracks that you guys fuck off with your jobs. So don't tell me you know what's best. Most of you don't. Do you have a kid? Do you have a kid?
You don't have to answer that.
Exactly, because you don't know how to deal with it. You don't know anything about me. You don't know anything about the situation. If you have nothing, you have no idea. You are ignorant.
Okay.
You are completely
So why don't you
ignorant.
tell me?
Because I have no need to contract with you. Anything I say to you could be used against me because you are corrupt. Does that make sense? You construe and twist everything anybody ever says to you guys and you use it against them because you are a corrupt organization that you guys paid to go work for.
Yeah.
It's fucking sad. It's
So,
sad.
I guess our reason for being here today
Is
obviously,
nothing, is stupid, is
some concerns
ignorance,
with your mental
is
health.
ignorance. You have nothing to say about my mental health. I already dealt
We
with
have
that.
an entire file
No, you don't.
concerns
It's
with your mental
closed. And then I had a report. So why don't you look in that little file and find my report where the assessor was like, he's totally okay. Just because I don't align with your point of views doesn't make me mentally unhealthy.
But the fact that you're
Get it?
threatening to kill a family
Did
court
I?
judge.
Did I?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Send me the recordings and we'll see. Because like I said, you and your fucking bosses construe everything and twist everything your own little way.
How am I supposed to send you the recordings if you won't give me your phone number?
I don't fucking know. Figure it out. It's through the courts. If the courts really had that big of an issue, they'd give it to you.
Okay.
If you had so much authority and so much power, you would get it.
I have access to the recordings.
Then go get it.
And do what? Come here,
Read
sit,
it.
yell at me to get
Read
off the
it.
property?
Get off the property. I've said it how many times?
Okay.
Read it and they will say, I am totally 1000% mentally healthy.
Okay.
And you don't get to assess that. Just because I don't fucking want to talk to you how you want to be talked to doesn't make me mentally unhealthy. Because I have opinions that you don't necessarily agree with doesn't make me mentally unhealthy. It makes me a human fucking being.
But when you threaten to kill
Did
people
I?
while you
Did
have
I?
a child
Nobody
in your care,
threatened that.
that
You're
speaks to your mental
misconstruing
health.
things and you're twisting words. Nobody said that. You're a liar. You're a liar because if I did, it would be threats, right? And then an RCMP officer months and months ago when I actually made that fucking voicemail would have came and talked to me then. So you have no authority. If you think you do, here you go. Arrest me for threats on a
arrest
judge.
people.
So get the fuck off my house, off my property.
You don't need
Carry
to.
on. Carry on. Carry on. I'm not touching you. Carry on. Off my property. Right now, you can walk a little bit quicker. A little quicker. See this portion right here?
If you'd like to,
You're under warning now.
listen. If
No,
you'd like
you
to
listen to
speak-
me. You're at my house. You're under warning now that if you breach this threshold ever again,
And that is exactly how you handle an intimidation tactic. Jesse didn't just ask them to leave. He literally walked them off his driveway and issued a formal warning, making it crystal clear that if they ever breached his threshold again, there would be legal consequences. It's a powerful lesson in knowing your rights. See, these agents were banking on him being scared and confused. They hoped the heavy accusation of threatening a judge would make him desperate to explain himself, which would have given them the information they were fishing for. But because Jesse knew that without a warrant or police presence, they had zero authority, he stripped them of all their power. He proved that they were bluffing the entire time. It just goes to show that staying calm and firm is your best defense against government overreach. They walked away empty-handed because he refused to be a victim.